Dear students, good morning. We take two important topics of vectors. Number one, parallelogram law. What is parallelogram law? If two vectors P and Q, angle between them are theta, and we have to find the resultant of these two vectors. And direction of this R vector is given by the angle with the P. Okay, then what is the formula of R? R is, everyone know what is value of R? R is under root P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Okay, R equal to under root P square plus 2 plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. And what is tan alpha? Tan alpha is what is the trick of learning this formula? जिसके साथ आप एंगल फाइंड करेंगे वो केवल एक बार आएगा. आपने रिजल्टेंट एंगल किसके साथ फाइंड किया है? P के साथ. Here we have to find the angle of R from P. तो P को आप एक बार लिखिए प्लस Q and Q. अब Q के साथ sin and cos आएंगे. sin and cos थीटा. In turn, in tan alpha, in numerator में क्या आता है? sin. Then Q sin theta upon Q cos theta. Then tan alpha equal to Q sin theta upon P plus Q cos theta. So you have to remember these two formula. We also derive a relation that if P equal to Q, ध्यान दीजिए हमने एक बार ये रिलेशन ड्राइव किया था. If P equal to Q, then R equal to 2P cos theta by 2 and alpha equal to theta by 2. If two forces are same, two vector quantities have same magnitude, F and F, P and P, Q and Q, and this angle is theta, then resultant of these two are bisecting them. इस कंडीशन में इसका रिजल्टेंट होगा ये इसको बाइसेक्ट करता हुआ जाएगा. ओके, नाउ बाय दिस कंडीशन वी कैन राइट इफ थीटा इक्वल टू 0 डिग्री. 0 डिग्री मींस both forces are in same direction, have same magnitude and in same direction. Then what is resultant? Put theta equal to 0 here. Then cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. Then R equal to 2P. If we put number two condition, if we put theta equal to 60 degree here, when both forces are equal, both vector quantities are equal, then if theta equal to 60 degree, then what is R? Resultant is R equal to, put here 60 by 2, 2P. Cos 60 by 2 means cos 30, and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Then 2 and 2 cancel, under root 3p. Okay. If theta equal to 90 degree, then R equal to 2p. Cos 90 by 2 means 45 degree. What is cos 45? Cos 45 is 1 by under root 2. Then in this condition R becomes under root 2p. If theta equal to 120 degree, if theta equal to 120, then what is R? R equal to 2p cos 120 by 2 means cos 60, and cos 60 is 1 by 2, then it becomes P. And in fifth condition we take theta equal to 180 degree. Then if both forces or both physical quantity has same magnitude and angle between them are 180 degree, this means angle is 180, then cos 180 by 2 means cos 90. Cos 90 becomes P. 2P cos 90 becomes 0. तो हमने यहां पर क्या बताया, देखिए आप, in these special cases we take that if two forces are in same direction then resultant is double of one. If they have 60-degree angle F and P, angle between them are 60 degree, then R equal to under root 3 times of 1. And if angle between these two equal magnitude physical vector quantities are 90 degree, then resultant is under root 2 times of any one. If angle between them are 120 degree, angle between are 120 degree, then resultant are equal to P. If angle between them are 180 degree, then resultant becomes 0. These are the direct conditions which we have to learn. That if two equal magnitude physical quantity are acting in same direction, then resultant क्या होगा, double होगा. If they are in 60 degree angle, then under root 3 times of any one. If at 90 degree, then under root 2 times. If angle between them are 120 degree, then R equal to P हो जाएगा. If angle is 180 degree, then resultant is 0. These are the direct condition we have to learn about this parallelogram law. Okay. Now after this parallelogram law, we read two-dimensional resolution of vectors. Okay, two-dimensional resolution, and also we write it as rectangular components. Okay, resolution of vectors into rectangular components. What is the meaning of this? If we resolve any vector in two-dimensional, then one is in x direction and another is in y direction. This is the component of vector in x direction. We write in small letters. In our notes, we write in small letters. So here we take in small letters. Ax is the magnitude of x direction component. Ay is the magnitude of y direction component. Then what is the vector? Vector is represented like that. A vector equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap. A vector equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap. What is the magnitude of A? We can write magnitude of A like that or like that. Both are equal. Then A is magnitude. What is the magnitude? Magnitude is ax square plus ay square. What is tan theta here? Tan theta, angle of this vector from the x axis. Tan theta is ay upon x, and we can also write it like tan inverse ay upon ax. Okay, this is any vector A making angle theta from x axis. Then component of this vector A in the x direction is ax and in y direction is ay. Then we can write this vector A like that, ax I cap and ay j cap. What is the value of ax? Value of ax is a का आप x की डायरेक्शन में कंपोनेंट कीजिए. Then component of ax is a cos theta, and what is ay? Ay is a sin theta. These are the formulas which we have to remember in two-dimensional resolution of vectors. We have to learn these formulas. Okay. What is A? A is this. What is the magnitude of A? Magnitude of A this. What is the angle made by this vector from x axis? This is the angle. Okay, and x component and y component is this. Here we take a question. Any vector have magnitude 5. Okay, and angle of that vector from x axis is theta is 60 degree. Find the vector and magnitude, मतलब find the vector and x component of that vector and y component of that vector. What is the magnitude of vector? 5. What is the angle made by the vector from x axis? That is 60 degree. Then x component is a cos theta. Then a is 5 and cos 60 degree. Then it becomes 5 by 2. Okay, ax is 5 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2. Then what is ay? Ay is a sin theta. What is a? A is 5. What is theta? Theta is 60. Here we take sin 60. What is sin 60? Then sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Then how we can write this vector? We can write this vector A vector equal to x component 5 by 2 I cap. Then y component is 5 root 3 by 2 j cap. क्वेश्चन रिवर्स हो सकता है. रिवर्स कैसे होगा? This vector is given. What is the magnitude of this vector? Then we want to find magnitude of this vector by this formula. Under root x square plus under root ay square. Okay, what is the direction of that vector? Then when we have find the direction of this vector from the x axis, then we take tan theta equal to ay upon ax. Then what is ay? Ay is 5 under root 3 by 2. And what is ax? 5 by 2. 2 and 5 cancel. Then tan theta equal to under root 3. Tan theta equal to under root 3. If tan theta equal to under root 3, then what is theta? Theta is 60 degree. तो क्वेश्चन रिवर्स में आ सकता है. This vector is given, then direction और मैग्नीट्यूड आपसे पूछा जा सकता है. और आपको मैग्नीट्यूड एंड डायरेक्शन गिवन, देन वेक्टर आपसे पूछा जा सकता है. ओके, तो इस तरह से आप क्वेश्चन सोल्व कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर. तो दीज आर द इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूला ऑफ टू डायमेंशनल रेजोल्यूशन ऑफ वेक्टर्स. वेक्टर को कैसे लिखेंगे? व्हाट इज द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ वेक्टर, व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ वेक्टर एंड व्हाट इज द एक्स कंपोनेंट एंड वाई कंपोनेंट ऑफ दैट वेक्टर. Okay dear students, you have to learn these topics, these two topics, parallelogram law, special cases of parallelogram law, okay, and two dimensional resolution of vectors. Okay dear students, thank you.